Hello, everyone, and welcome to the online classroom for the Communication for Health Professions program. This short video is designed to help you learn how to navigate through an online module. That way, you'll be able to access each of the content items that need to be completed each week. Here we are on the home page where you can see the link to the program online classroom at the top. And from here, we need to click on the course content menu at the left side of the screen and select Content. This will take you to the course content area. All of the weekly modules have the material kept here in the course content area. What you can see is on the left-hand column a table of contents. The online modules will be at the bottom. So scroll down, click on Online Modules, and scroll back up, and you will see here's the online module welcome page with a short welcome message, as well as this introduction video that shows you how to navigate through a module. And finally, if you're having trouble and the video doesn't help you, you can always send an email to Brian at blorraine@rrc.ca for further support. Let's take a look at week 1. On the left-hand side, I'm going to click week 1. Scroll up to the top. Here you can see on the week 1 page, there's a short welcome message, a link to the week 1 checklist, and then a list of links to the 4 content items that need to be completed for week 1. First, let's take a look at the checklist. The checklist is not required. This is just something to help you stay organized as you do the work. So, there is a short description and a link to each of the content items within the checklist. This is just used in case you maybe start some work in the morning and you want to check the items that you finished and click Save so that you can remember where to continue when you come back in the evening. Again, this is just something to help you stay organized, and it's not required. Now let's go take a look at the actual content. Here are the 4 content items in a list. And you can see that actually if you scroll down, the links to those 4 items are directly below. There's the week 1 focus, the warm-up discussion, below that, the task introduction link, and finally the link to the task instructions Dropbox. Let's take a look step by step. First, here's the week 1 focus. When you open the link, the focus will tell you the topic of the week, as well as the objectives in that week's online module. Because it is a specific program, you're going to see a list of content objectives and a list of language objectives. These are the things that you're trying to learn or improve throughout the week. The content objectives will be related to the aspects of health that you're learning, while the language objectives are related to reading, writing, listening, or speaking skills that you are working on. When you're finished, you can simply click the forward arrow either at the top of the page or the bottom to continue. Remember that it's important to read these objectives in order to prepare your mind for the learning that's going to take place during the week. So we'll click the forward arrow, and now we'll go to the next item. Here is the warm-up discussion. Remember to follow the instructions carefully and do the step-by-step process to complete your discussion post. Here you're going to watch the video, and then you're going to start a new thread, write approximately 150 words to provide your explanation, and then click Post. After you have posted your own thread, It's important that you read your classmates' threads. What we'd also like you to do is to rate your classmates' threads. There will be 5 stars on the right-hand side of each thread, and you can choose to rate them accordingly. Here are the descriptions of what the 5 stars mean. 1 is the lowest, and 5 is the highest. Once you have created your own post and read and rated your classmates' posts, you're ready then to continue on to the task introduction. You can click the task introduction link or simply the forward arrow to move to the next item. The task introduction has all of the instructions you need to complete the task. Here you'll see that you need to prepare to watch a presentation that is about 55 minutes long. The presentation video is below, and the instructions are just above the video telling you what you're going to be doing. After you finish watching the video and taking notes, you can click the task instructions link to go to the task instructions drop box. Here we are in the task instructions drop box, where you need to once again follow the instructions carefully, step by step, in order to save your document and submit the document to your instructor. Again, in order to submit, you need to save the document and then upload. The upload button is if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, click upload, then you will select the file that you're going to submit, whatever your file name is. I'm going to click my file. I'm going to drag it into the Dropbox area. And now that I can see it, I'm going to move down and click Submit to Dropbox. Once I'm finished that, of course, I can click the forward arrow because I'm finished. Once all the content items are finished, it will take you back to the beginning. This has been a quick explanation of how you get through an online module. Remember, if you run into any trouble, you can watch the instructional video to help you, or you can send an email for further support. Good luck, everyone. Have fun and enjoy your online learning.